To give up, you have to be dead, or completely incapacitated.
Troubleshooting interface and cable issues. Boom. Collisions. Errors. Mismatched duplex. Speed. Boom. Only 4 issues. Very kind of you, Cisco. Collisions, errors, mismatched duplex, speed. First collision. Yes, it is possible for the data to collide, but in the Ethernet. Collide meaning to hosts sending some signal at the same time. If you are using hubs, which always should not. This was very common. Now comes but. But. Now. Since. We. Are. Not. Using. Hubs. Huh? Because the hub would send the data to every port on the hub. It will collide. Hello? Impossible. Using the switch this will be prevented. Yes, hello. Because switch arrow send the data only to the port with the destination address in the, yes that. Also switcheroo can store the packets. Ah, that's it. Until the line is free of signal EO. But then, boom.
You send me a text saying, wish this were differently, but I'm